Hi Sunshine Families, it's Miss Emily from the Firefly Room, and today I've got a really giggly friend. Today I've got a really fun science experiment that uses just a few materials, and they all are probably found in your house right now. So what you're going to need is shaving cream and water and a clear glass, blue food coloring. Oh, they've all got the giggles. We're in trouble now.
I'm sorry.
Some pencils, paper, and a blue marker to record our results. So today's experiment is going to be a rain cloud in a glass. So we're going to use the water to represent the air around us. The shaving cream is going to go on top to represent the clouds. And the blue food coloring is going to represent the rain, and we're gonna see what happens when the rain gets really heavy in the clouds, and we'll see what happens. So Ben, go ahead and pour the water into our glass carefully, and it doesn't hurt to keep a towel on hand when you have little helpers.
Good strategy.
Ben's going nice and slow and using 2 hands. That's perfect.
Like milk.
Yeah, when you pour milk into your cereal.
We
Perfect.
do that.
Perfect. All right, I'm gonna move this out of the way.
Now we need our cloudy cloud.
Our cloudy cloud's gonna go on top.
That's good. It's good. That's good.
You know what, put a little bit more so it's covering the entire surface of the cup. But remember, it doesn't, oh, you're doing
That's
it.
good. That's good.
Nice, that looks perfect. All right, now we're gonna
Would
move
you say
it
it looks
right
like a
over
real
here, and Izzy's gonna just put a couple of drops all over the top. We're gonna see how that heavy rain affects the cloud.
Wow. It's like a flower.
You can see the heavy rain is going through the cloud and down into the air.
Ooh,
And
flower.
it does kind of look like a flower. I see it.
It's flooding a bridge.
Now, is it going as fast as you thought it was going to go?
No.
No, it's going.
We already tried this.
We did. Spoiler alert, we've done this before.
Except it didn't work. All like blue blood on the bottom. I know, look at the top.
So now we're going to use some blank paper to record our results and draw a picture of what happened.
Thank you.
The top of the cup. When you're ready for the blue, let me know. Nice, Ben. Ben's using all of the paper. Okay. Now that we've all recorded our results, Jonathan wrote his in words because he can do that, and if you have older siblings, they can record in words what happened. But one thing I would like to talk about before we finish up is what could we do in this experiment to change it, to make it something different, to observe something different?
We could change the food coloring.
We could change the food coloring. That would be fun.
I think we can change it to green to
To-
represent acid rain.
We could.
Which for the
we
little
could-
kid,
we could.
which for the little kids, acid rain is rain that can dissolve stuff, which it can go through stuff.
Ooh, so it could like damage stuff.
Yes, and it
Oh.
can hurt people.
It could hurt people and probably
And
crops.
it shows like red and green.
Mm.
What I was gonna say is add something different.
Mhm.
Like we could not all of that stuff, not any of it, like some smell.
Oh, we could add a smell to it.
Instead
Good
of
smell.
shaving cream, we could use. We can maybe use whipped cream
Ooh.
if you have it in your house. Or
Okay.
chicken.
Okay, so that was a lot of fun making a rain cloud in a cup. Thanks, guys. See you for our next lesson.
Bye.
See ya.